In a world where kindness is revered and prioritizing others over ourselves is encouraged, few warn of the dangers that excessive kindness and care can pose. The reality is, being overly generous can lead to emotional and financial depletion. Today, let's explore 8 potential pitfalls of being excessively nice and discover 4 strategies to prevent others from taking advantage of our kindness. Number 1. Excessive kindness can result in unrealistically high expectations for people, setting us up for disappointment and emotional strain. The Stoics advocate for acceptance and detachment, emphasizing the importance of balanced giving to maintain inner peace. Number 2. Constant giving can breed dependency and enable others to shirk their responsibilities, ultimately hindering their growth and autonomy. It's crucial to prioritize self-care and set boundaries to avoid being taken for granted. Number 3. Neglecting our own goals and well-being while prioritizing others can lead to resentment and a sense of unfulfillment. Self-care is paramount to maintaining mental and emotional health. Number 4. Consistently helping others without setting boundaries can be perceived as weakness, inviting exploitation. Practicing self-discipline and discernment in our relationships can command respect and deter opportunistic behavior. Number 5. Excessive generosity may attract individuals who only seek to take without giving in return, draining our energy and resources. It's essential to discern genuine relationships from those motivated by self-interest. Number 6. Unchecked generosity can potentially lead to addiction as a means to cope with the emotional toll of constant giving. Developing self-awareness and seeking balance in our actions can prevent unhealthy habits from forming. Number 7. It's crucial to recognize the importance of saying no when necessary to preserve our time and energy. Setting aside dedicated time for self-care and honoring our commitments to ourselves is vital for maintaining well-being. Number 8. Cultivating a balanced approach to generosity ensures that we neither become cynical nor overly naive. Embracing the middle ground allows us to extend kindness while safeguarding our own well-being. In conclusion, while generosity is a noble trait, it's essential to strike a balance between altruism and self-preservation. By embracing Stoic principles of moderation and self-awareness, we can navigate relationships with wisdom and integrity.